Would you believe a 1978 camper van once sold for over 11 grand and still had more rebuilds than my neighbor's second marriage? Well, buckle up, because this isn't just any van. It's the Mercedes-Benz 207D Westfalia James Cook. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we're talking about a German camper van so classic, it makes my buddy Steve's 80s mullet look like yesterday's trend. I present to you the 1978 Mercedes-Benz 207D Westfalia James Cook. Now, I've seen some campers in my time, but this was basically the OG Airbnb on wheels. Long before apps and Wi-Fi ruined the romance of getting lost. This James Cook started life as a humble 207D transporter. Then Westfalia sprinkled their camper magic over it. Under the hood sits a 2.4-liter OM616 diesel inline-4, originally pushing out 64 horsepower and 97 pound-feet of torque. 87 newtons. I think that's less power than my friend Carl's electric scooter, but hey, it gets the job done. In September 2023, the engine got a full rebuild. Bored cylinders, new pistons, timing chains, gaskets, the works. Even the vacuum pump and governor were rebuilt, and the radiator was swapped for a Toyota unit with electric fans. Power goes to the rear wheels via a 4-speed manual, with a refreshed clutch and resurfaced flywheel. That's German determination with a sprinkle of Japanese reliability. Now let's talk exterior. White paint with gold and blue stripes. Extended height roof. Roof-mounted cargo box. Solar panel. Shore power connections. And ambulance-style rear doors. Sounds like something out of a touring rock band. But instead of groupies, you're hauling camping chairs. It rides on 14-inch steel wheels wrapped in 205 series Continental tires, with front disc and rear drum brakes. The brakes were rebuilt, and I believe that's a good thing, because stopping 138,000 miles, 222 kilometers of great worth of German steel isn't a job for weak calipers. Inside, it's pure vintage camper charm. Kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, sink, fridge, overhead bed platform, and foldable bench seats that make a bed. Though the hinges need replacing, so don't get too ambitious mid-nap. There's also a removable wood table, storage racks, and even a fire extinguisher for when your cooking ambitions exceed your skills. USB charging outlets, a power inverter, deep cell batteries, and solar panel integration bring it into the modern age. I like the most the fact that you can cook, sleep, and charge your phone while parked under the stars. It's like the 70s met 2023 and decided to camp together. And the price? This beauty sold for $11,140, around 10,300 euros, for a fully rebuilt, solar-ready vintage Westfalia. I think that's a bargain compared to some rusty van shells people list for double that. So, if you see one of these on the road, give it a nod. It's not just a van. It's history with stripes. And don't forget, there's a link under the video where you can sponsor Camp Avto for just $1. That's less than what Steve spends on hair gel trying to keep his mullet alive. The sponsorship link is in the description. So click it before the James Cook sails away again.